Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see, here we are on the Bitcoin chart and it is 1 hour time frame. As I told you in my previous analysis of Bitcoin, we had this trend line from downside with 3 touches on that, and also we had this trend line, okay, from upside. We were here. I told you that I enter just sell position if this trend line breaks to the downside, okay. But I don't enter buy position with the break of this trend line to the upside, which the price broke it to the upside, okay, and started going up, okay. I didn't enter buy position. It was too much risky. Some people like to risk and enter buy and sell positions, okay, easily, but I don't. The trend was downtrend and I was just looking for sell positions, so we missed this one here, okay. But right now for the price we have this trend line with 3 touches on that, 1 2 3 touches. With the break of this trend line to the upside in 1 hour time frame and closing a candle up there, we can enter buy a position, set our stop loss and get our reward, okay. But if the price makes a shadow like this, imagine, I don't know, it was like this, we are just imagining, okay, you actually gonna extend this trend line like this, okay, if you see a shadow out of this trend line, okay. But if we see a body, we will enter buy position, set our stop loss and get our reward. And let's check don't forget to actually see the weekly time frame, because it is really important. After something like 9 hours and 30 minutes, okay, we have this resistance for the price, and the price got rejected from this level in the weekly time frame, and we have this nice engulfing candle. If this candle can close like this, at the end of the day, okay, on the weekly time frame, we can risk on that and enter long-term positions, okay, entering sell here and putting our stop loss up of these candles and look for risk our actually reward, okay. It depends on you to look for risk to reward 1, 1.5 or 2 and even more than that. And the point that you should know is actually our stop loss gonna be very big, okay, like 13%, okay. I recommend entering sell positions. If you enter actually sell position here with low leverages, I don't recommend to actually enter with leverage like I don't know 5 or anything like that, because our stop loss is really big, okay, and our risk is big. So I recommend you managing this position if you are taking a long position. Nothing else left to say. Yeah, we should wait for the weekly time frame to close this candle, okay, on the after something like 9 hours and 30 minutes, then decide based on that to enter sell position or not. Okay, it was all about today's analysis. Let's move to the next part, the education part, and also see the yesterday's positions too. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thank you, and let's start this part. As you can see, on the first position we have this trend line for the price, okay, a compression here. It was broken here. We had the chance to enter sell position, put our stop loss up of the candles and look for risk to reward 2, which the price gives us our RR2 or risk to reward 2 somewhere here, okay. And what is risk to reward? Risk to reward is we entered the position here, okay, we did put our stop loss up of this candle, so this will be our risk, okay, and our reward must be at least double of that. it must be something like risk to reward 2, that when we actually have 50% of win rate, okay, at the end of the month, at our account can be positive, because when we lose a position, we lose just 1, okay, but when we win 2. So when we have 2 positions with 1 lose and 2 wins, okay, actually it becomes 1, positive 1, okay, and it is nice. At the end of the month, it actually makes our account positive. And even more than that, actually some people look for risk to reward 1, but their win rate is high, like I don't know, 80% or even 90%, okay, but it can't be 100%. I've never seen a person with a win rate of 100%. And some people look for 1.5, and some people actually look for risk to reward 3, 4, 5, and sometimes they lose some positions because of their high rewards, okay. But risk to reward 2 is a standard reward for our positions, and I do actually, something that you should know is when the position gives you the risk to reward 1, you should actually look it like this. When it gives us something like this, we put our stop loss in our entry point, okay. Sometimes it depends on you to do this or not, okay. And as you can see here, the price returns from here and touches your actually stop loss. In that case, look, you are not gonna lose any money, because you can see the market is actually returning, and it might touch your stop loss here instead of giving you the risk to reward 2, okay. Let's move to the next position. On the second position, we have this trend line with 2 touches on that. It was broken here. The price made a pullback to this level, small pullback on the 1 minute time frame. It is 5 minute time frame actually. We could risk here an enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer, and look for risk to reward 2, which the price gives us a reward of 4 somewhere here. On the position 3, we have this trend line for the price. This is the actually, it can be the first leg, okay, a correction, a trend line also broken here. We can enter buy position, put our stop loss below these candles, and it gives us a reward of 5, and also it is a second leg, okay. It's a bit complicated, but you can just see it as trend line, a breakout here. I entered here, I did put my stop loss below those candles, and it gave me a reward of 5. On the trade 4 and the last one, we had this small trend line, okay. It was like this, it is exactly like this, with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that, okay. We enter the buy position here with the break of this trend line to the upside. We enter buy position here, put our stop loss below this candle, and it gives us a reward of 4 somewhere here. And also when we see those shadows from upside, okay, we have a buy position and we have some shadows from upside in a place, okay, it is showing that the market, the buyers are actually losing their strength, okay, and sellers are coming in. At 60 or 70% of the time it is like that, okay. Sometimes it happens and sometimes it doesn't, and it goes up and touches your stop loss. This is the market. Don't be scared of stop loss. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin in the upcoming days, by technical side, okay. I don't care about I don't know, digital money or anything like that. We are just trading these markets like forex. I don't know, you are trading pairs to make money with them, okay. It is not important. If we lose actually crypto market, we will have we also have forex market to trade on that, okay. and you know, we had this in for some years before, and we will have it in the future too, and even more complicated and easier for trading. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.